Goa ZP election ballots have spoken loud and clear. We, the Goans, need to take lessons from the results. The first point, that Goans have almost rejected smaller parties, and people of Goa seem to be happy with two-party system. In Goa, I think only two parties will survive. The others are slowly dying a natural death. And the two parties are Congress and BJP. Congress, after so many defections in Goa, seems to be dying. It appeared, but during this election, Congress has shown that it can rise up back from the ashes, and it has done so in these elections. And if those smaller parties were not there, then Congress would have gained many more seats. Now, in the future, the people of Goa have to decide. Do they want to continue with smaller parties? Do the smaller parties have any future? And when we support smaller parties, then is it not going to be detrimental to the future of Goa? Smaller parties have eaten votes of bigger parties. And so, those who would have got more seats, who would have won, they could not do it because of the smaller ones. So my take and my message to the people of Goa, as we are preparing for the election, assembly election 2027, do we need smaller parties? It's up to the people of Goa to think seriously about it. But the message is loud and clear that Congress is reviving, its revival has begun, and it will reign and rule someday. Thank you. God bless you.